Tin. Hi, baby. Wow. Because you really love the camera, that's why I want to record again for you. Can you sing? If you're happy and you know you clap your hands. If you're happy and you know you clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know you clap your hands. Wow. Yeah, you really love camera, right? Wow. Yeah. What else? Because after this you want to see yourself in the camera, that's why. Yeah. Yeah, what else do you want to say? A message for Moa or Fa? What's your message for both of us? Hmm? Yeah? Okay. Can you say bye-bye now? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say hello to Philippines first. Hello, Philippines. Hello. Because for sure they want to see this teen. Say hello to Philippines. Hello, Philippines. Yeah? Say hello to Lula and Lulu. Hello. Hello, Lula. Hello, Lula. Hello, Lulu. Okay, say bye-bye to them now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.